Hello everybody, assalamu alaikum to all of you. Welcome to my page English with Noor. Once again I come back with another brand new video. As you guys used to watching me that all the time I try to make English content videos so that you can get benefited by watching this kind of video. So the behind of many reason for making videos, one of the most important reason that it helps me to improve my fluency, and it also helps me to practice. So at this moment I'm in my college that where I'm taking my graduation based on English literature. So at this moment, as you can see that here is Bhavan number 8. Okay, so here I made this video because of here I can find a peaceful or stunning place, so that there is no one to disturb me, and in front of me one of my friends, he is catching my camera. So that's it. And in today's video I also give you some suggestion to improve your English journey. So all the time people are thought that it's English is easy to understand. I must have to make it sure that it's not a piece of cake. If you want to gain this ability, you must have to appreciate on this section. You have to must work on that section. So it's not a piece of cake, absolutely. So if you thought that you can able to speak English within 30 days or within 2 months or 3 months, it's not gonna totally happen. You have to work for it, you have to emphasize on it so that you can master English easily. It's not only happen with learning English speaking, but also in another sector in your life. If you want to improve any sector in your life, you must have to work on that section, and you have to make a specific routine or specific formulas. By following this formula, by following this routine, you can improve that sector. The same thing also happen of learning speaking English. So if you guys are really crazy for learning speaking English, then you must have to work on that section. If I give you an example, if you read only a books that in a books that where is written that how to swim in a pond, but you don't understand, you don't apply in your personal life in a pond, so you are not gonna able to swim on the pond. So the same thing also happen with learning speaking English. If you want to master this, you must have to work for it, you must have to pay attention on it. So no more today, till Allah Hafiz, tada, bye bye, see you soon in the next video.